15. Fault. Second serve. 15. Fault. Second serve. Out. Game. 2-3. Side change. Lalit to serve.
Chairperson of New Marbuga Port Authority, Dr. N. Vinod Kumar. President, Marbuga Port Sports Council, Mr. Patnaik. Secretary, Milind Desai. HODs, players from various sports, ladies, gentlemen, invitees, the referees, I hope it was an enjoying 4 days event here. Only little inconvenience was we could not see the matches because it is little far from the port. One thing what I would like to say is, I think the numbers are shrinking. You need to drag more people to tennis, means from the ports, which we can do. I think I was discussing when some inaugural match was happening. Somebody has started maybe about 6 or 8 months back also was present. So let us try to involve more people, and because a lot of retirements happening, people are required. The sports council, our sports control board, whatever tennis tournaments we are organizing, this should continue. We need more players. I think other sports, I think trainees are coming, I think not much here in tennis, what I see. So let us try to improve it. Let us work for the sports. With that, thank you everybody for coming here, and with the sportsman spirit what you have exhibited here. So we all I thank all the referees, organizers, the sports council team, which has worked relentlessly during these 4-5 days. Thanks to Vinayak Kamath. I think first interacted with him to organize this event here. So his support was also there.
Participants from all the major ports, the referees, the president and the organizing committee members, ladies and gentlemen. I think the president and the members of the organizing committee have intentionally not given us chairs on the dais, just to ensure that we get tired and then we don't speak longer. So I've got the intention, so I don't want to make a very long speech here. And adding to that, you have all started eating. So looking from here, it's a kind of a, I also don't want to speak longer and I want to join you. The only thing I want to say that is, I hope you might have enjoyed the stay here. Maybe there are little issues which happens, I don't know, which happens everywhere. But I know that the President and the members have worked really hard to make this success. And I hope you have enjoyed it. And you might have fought with your physical pain, the weather coming from various places, the weather getting hot over the last 2-3 days. And you might have fought with many other issues which you are facing with age. But it is very thrilling and exciting to watch that all of you have come this far with a competing spirit and a sportsman spirit. So thank you for coming here and thank you for competing for this great game. And thank you for being a part of it. And I congratulate you for overcoming all these fears which you might have had and fighting with full sportsman spirit. So thank you very much. I hope you will get time to see Goa around, and I wish a safe journey back to your homes. Thank you.